Hey there, welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to remove photo sensitive videos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Firstly, you have to open the TikTok app, go to the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at right top corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now move to the Accessibility here. Now you can see Remove Photo Sensitive Videos. Turn it on, then all the photo sensitive videos will be removed from your TikTok account. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.